Hello friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring this stamp set called Scalloped Blooms. It actually is a part of a bundle, but I didn't get the dies. I just got the stamp set. I really like all of the sentiments here, and so we're going to use them in a fun and unique way. So here is gray granite cardstock. When was the last time I used this color? Anyway, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. This is your regular half sheet card base. And here's my sentiment. So we're going to ink up with Misty Moonlight ink pad, and the sentiment that I am choosing to use today is you're a blessing to me. Because I thought, this has a fishing motif to it. And I thought maybe this card you could give to, a husband, son, brother. It's masculine. And just something as a appropriate encouragement card. All right, so I have attached this to Misty Moonlight cardstock, and I will trim off the ends there. So anyway, here is the designer series paper. It is called Waterside Retreat DSP. I'm still in my summer vibe. I'm still kind of not, I'm just ignoring all the Christmas stuff out right now because I'm dragging my feet. I'm enjoying this summer. I had a really awesome weekend with my kind of cousin, Deb, and I had a sewing kind of a craft retreat. I got some mending done. I ate good food. I hung around with my kind of cousin. Her mom and my auntie were BFFs, so yeah, and she had her sisters over, and we had such a good time. And I was there for like 9 hours just sewing my little heart out because I don't have a proper sewing machine. Guess what, guys? I've got like the Michaels special. Anyway, I'm putting down these papers here and just talking to you like, you're my best friends. Well, you are my best friends, aren't you? So this is it's a fun pattern. It's definitely got some fishing vibes to it. I am going to decorate the inside of the card as per usual. I fussy cut some bits and pieces out for that inside of the card. Now, I do apologize for this video being late. I sometimes get a little overwhelmed with my work, and I didn't get home till quite late today. And of course, I'm not prepared because I was at the the craft retreat. So I didn't have all these filmed on the Sunday. So usually when I'm tardy with my videos, you know that I'm having a good time. I'm living my life, and that's all that we can hope for. So I cut these pieces out of the designer series paper. There's a couple fish. I don't know what kind of fish they are. It doesn't matter. A life jacket. And that pretty much is my card for today. I'm going to leave the links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, you may want to consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. And honestly, you can press that little red bell on YouTube and you'll actually get an email when I post. So, because I'm random with my timings. So anyway, after all that, here's my little card. I put some embellishments on it, and that is my card. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Friday with a paper pumpkin video. Huzzah! Thanks for watching. Bye for now.